Hi, I'm Richard Sklar.
And I'm Jason Sklar from Sklar Associates.
In this video, we'll answer a question that our clients often ask us. What is a Division I proposal?
A Division I proposal is debt relief for higher debt individuals and businesses. It enables the debtor to avoid bankruptcy and be released from their unsecured debts after they've repaid a portion and honored all of the terms of their proposal.
The next question is, who can file a Division I proposal? This debt relief option is open to those who meet one of the two following conditions. An individual who owes more than $250,000 in debt, excluding the mortgage on their primary residence, a business, partnership, or corporation that owes any amount of unsecured debt. In Ontario, only licensed insolvency trustees like Sklar Associates can file and administer Division I proposals.
The Division I proposal process is complex and varies from case to case. For most businesses and some individuals, it can include extensive audits and cash flow analysis, tax liability assessment, and business operation assessments.
After a debtor has met with their trustee and reviewed their financial information, the trustee will go over all the options. If both agree that a Division I proposal is the best choice, they'll prepare a proposal together.
The proposal will set out the portion of debt that will be repaid and other terms that will be followed in exchange for being released from the debts included in the proposal.
The licensed insolvency trustee files and submits the proposal to the unsecured creditors. Once the proposal is filed, the unsecured creditors must stop all collection efforts, stop all legal actions, stop charging interest. If the proposal is accepted, then the unsecured creditors must not restart these actions.
The creditors vote to whether accept or reject the proposal. For a Division I proposal to be accepted, more than 50% of the creditors in number and who hold more than 66.6% of the unsecured debt must accept the proposal. The court must also approve the proposal.
If the creditors don't accept a Division I proposal, then the person or business filing the proposal is automatically put into bankruptcy. As well, if the debtor fails to honor all the terms of the agreement, they can be put into bankruptcy.
If you're dealing with overwhelming debt and are in the Toronto area, call us at Sklar Associates to book a free consultation.
And if you want more information about bankruptcy and consumer proposals in Toronto, check out the other videos on our channel and click subscribe to get notified when we post new videos about bankruptcy and consumer proposals.